Crack open the box and voila, the Poco X6 Pro, a marvel of modern technology. With a scintillating 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, your eyes will thank you for every pixel. The resolution, a staggering 2400 by 1080 pixels. That's crisp. Under the hood, it's powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 870, ensuring silky smooth performance and swift multitasking. Whether you're a gaming aficionado or a social media maven, this beast won't let you down. But wait, there's more! A triple camera setup at the back, led by a 64-megapixel primary sensor, guarantees stunning photos. The front, a 20-megapixel selfie camera that's sure to make you the star of every shot. And let's not forget the hefty 5000 mAh battery, keeping you powered up for all your adventures. Fast charging capabilities? You bet! That's the Poco X6 Pro in a nutshell. A powerhouse that offers top-tier features without breaking the bank. Intrigued? Check it out, and while you're at it, show some love and subscribe to Turbo SR Tech. Until next time, keep exploring.